works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.
Thank you.